Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook business page URL. This is really useful if you've rebranded your business, want a cleaner URL that's easier to share, or simply need something more professional and memorable for your marketing materials. First, open your browser and head over to facebook.com, log into your Facebook business account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page from this menu. This will take you directly to your business page's management area. Once you're on your Facebook business management page, you'll need to access the settings. Look for the settings option on the left navigation menu and click on it. This is where you can control all the important configurations for your business page, including privacy settings, page information, and various other features that help you manage how your page appears and functions. After clicking settings, you'll be directed to the Facebook business settings and privacy page. This is a comprehensive hub for all your page's settings. Now locate the page setup option in the menu and click on it. Under the page setup section, you'll see several options for customizing your page. Click on the name option. Here's where the actual URL change happens. To modify your business page URL, look for the username option and click on Edit. When you click this, you'll be able to see your full Facebook business page URL displayed. It's important to understand that you can only change the slug part of the URL, which is the section that comes after facebook.com. The structure facebook.com/your username is fixed, so you're only customizing that final portion. In the username field, enter your new desired URL slug. This should ideally be short, memorable, and closely related to your business name. Facebook has certain requirements for usernames, so make sure it follows their guidelines, typically allowing only letters, numbers, and periods. Once you've entered your new URL slug, click on Save Changes, and that's it. Your Facebook business page URL has been successfully updated. Keep in mind that it might take a few moments for the change to fully propagate across Facebook systems. Your new URL will make it much easier for customers to find and remember your business page, and you can now share this cleaner link across all your marketing channels. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.